Hi, I'm currently trying my hand at making a Slay the Spire style game just as a fun learning experience. So far I've got menus working and that's about it. In today's video I will discuss adding an overworld map. As the player we start over here. Our goal is to get to the boss over here. Of course a direct path wouldn't be much fun, and we want a network of paths to choose from, forcing us to experience various events. There are many ways of doing this, and the way I came up with is a bit crude, has a lot of issues, but is quite simple and will do for now. Now, what does it mean for a map to be valid? Well, first we must be able to enter every event, and an event will be represented as a node. And we need to be able to leave this event. This is the central invariant for all of our inner graph nodes. We have at least one edge in and at least one edge out. We also want this graph to be planar, which means we don't have any crossing paths. Now that we understand our constraints, let's see how we can actually generate such a map. The way I chose it is to do it in 3 steps. In the first step, we're going to generate how many layers we're going to have in this map, and we're going to be moving from layer to layer. In the second step, we will be populating every layer with a number of nodes, picked at random again. In the final step, we will need to add our edges. To do this, we will start at the last layer and work backwards. We pick the first 2 nodes of each layer and connect them with a path, and we have to do this because otherwise we would be orphaning the left one. And after we've added a path, we will choose one of 3 actions at random. We are going to select the next node in the left layer, or the next node in the right layer, or the next node in both layers. And then repeat the process, adding a path, advancing one node, until we are done with those 2 layers. Once we're done with that, we're going to repeat this process for the previous layers, and we keep going until there are no layers left. And now we have a graph with the properties that we wanted. It's not the best graph, but it is an acceptable graph for the purposes of developing this game for now. I will revisit it and refine it. I hope you enjoyed, and join my Discord if you want. Otherwise, have a good day.